Hey everybody, Mikeycat Outdoors here. So where are we doing today? We're out at Pounds Hollow Recreation Area. Gonna put our Oru Lake kayak out on the lake. So let's check it out. So in addition to the lake, Pounds Hollow's got fishing docks. Got a little roped off beach swimming area here, which is usually very popular with everybody. You've got some barbecue grills and a little pavilion eating area and some restrooms up there. This area was really popular back in like the 40s, and there's still a lot of people that come out here, but I think that was kind of its heyday. And there's a lot of camping out here, first come first serve, Class C, really no room for big RVs or anything. And then you've got this outer loop which has the lake and the beach. But down the road, you got Rimrock Canyon, which is a nice little hiking spot. And about 7 miles away, you've got Garden of the Gods recreation area, which is a really beautiful place. Well, this lake is not too big. It's just a real long, thin little channel lake. I guess they cut out of here years ago when they made this recreation area. So there's some boulders, a couple of spots around the end, and I'm gonna be hitting down here pretty soon. It looks like there's a little curve in the lake. So I'm going to follow that around to see how far it goes. There's a little bit of a wind out here today, so anytime I stop paddling, it's rotating me to the left. So if I look like I'm turning left a lot, it's the wind affecting the boat. Got one boulder up here, and lake turns a little bit. Looks like it kind of ends up here, so it doesn't go as far back as I thought it would, but it's still kind of neat. Seems to be the end of the lake over there. Just a little patches of grass and thin trees. That just looks like a bunch of stagnant water down there at the end. Got a couple of boulders over here on the other shore, the far end of this. So we're on the end that's furthest away north from the beach. So if you ever want to know what the other end of Pounds Hollow Lake looks like, here's the rock. It's a beauty. Got a nice little embankment up here. So look at that little hidden gem there. It looks like a little spill thing. They made out of concrete, I guess, for overflows or something. That's wild. You can't really see it too well on here, but way out there, there's like a caged concrete structure on the other side of the end of the lake. I'm not 100% sure what that's all for either. Several man-made structures out here. It's obviously a man-made lake. So yeah, I'm paddling out here and I hear a bunch of crash boom pop stuff off on the side. Probably just a tree falling down. No, it's Bigfoot. Yeah, I stopped off on the way down here at the Shawnee outpost for Garden of the Gods area and all that. And they got all the Bigfoot memorabilia, you know, toys, stuffed animals, shirts, all that stuff. So of course when you're down here in the Shawnee Forest, anytime you hear something big crashing, it's Bigfoot. So yeah. Oh, it's a nice breeze coming off of this lake right now. Kind of on my way back. It's not too bad of a lake. It's a small channel lake. It's not as big as some of the lakes that I usually like to do closer to home. But this one, I mean, it's probably a half-mile lake or something like that at most. It's not that bad. So we're getting close to the area over there where I led into the water. Got a little dock over there. And up there in the distance on top of the hill, there's a little pavilion, bathroom facility and stuff. There's a little beach out there. A lot of people swim out here. It's pretty nice. So no boats over there by the beach. Down there you got the other end of the lake. And that's around where Rimrock Canyon and all of its trails feed into this area. This is a little area right there off to the south end of the beach area. Looks like you can let boats in and out a little bit. Looks like a big grassy patch down there towards the south end. Oh yeah, this is super shallow. Holy cow, look at this. basically banked. So the lake looks like it goes on a little bit further down there. It might fizzle out, or it might turn into that creek that goes through Rimrock. So yeah, that little patch that I landed on over there on the south end, a lot of like piles of leaves and stuff in the water there that I was putting my oars through, and the silt and everything else, I guess, accumulated in that area. So I put the oar through there, and whew, smelled like sulfur, rotting leaves and everything. Yeah. So I'm heading on back towards the beach area and the docks where I let in. So I'll probably be calling it a night here pretty soon. I'll have to put everything away, clean it up, fold it up, take the 2.5-hour drive home. But it's been a pretty good weekend. Got to do a little camping, Bellsmith Springs. Got to do a little bit of bike riding on Tunnel Hill Trail, and go down on part of the River to River Trail, eat lunch, and turn myself around, came back, and came out this way tonight. So, I'd say all in all, pretty good weekend. Might be easier to get in and out from here than from down yonder where I let in. Well, everybody, I think that's a wrap. I'm gonna clean this all up, dry it out, get all the stink out of it, and fold it up, go back to the car, which is on the other side of the beach and up the hill. Woohoo! So I started off way past that dock over there where I let in, but I'm on this other side, and there's a trail here by the pavilion area and all that, so it's not too bad. Well, everybody, that's a wrap. Don't forget your towel. Definitely need it. Well, everybody, if you like what you've seen, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I'll catch you again in the outdoors. As always, thanks for watching.